To inspect and adjust the drive belt tension on your Polaris Titan Adventure, follow these steps. Always measure belt deflection with both clutches at rest in their full neutral position. Park the snowmobile on a flat, level surface. Remove the left side panel by releasing the rubber strap and turning the two quarter-turn latches. Pull the panel out and lift up to remove. Remove the clutch spreader tool from the panel trim. Spread the panel trim apart as needed to access the spare belt holder. Turn the latch on the spare belt holder and pull out to remove. Next, place a straight edge on the belt. Then apply downward pressure between the clutches to measure the deflection. If adjustment is needed, loosen the jam nut on the belt width adjuster. Then, turn the set screw inward to increase the distance between the sheaves, or outward to decrease the distance. Once deflection has been set, hold the set screw and lightly tighten the jam nut. Next, spread the clutch 1/2 inch. Then, torque the jam nut to specification. Next, remove the straight edge. Then remove the clutch spreader tool and spin the belt clockwise 5 to 7 times to help seat the belt. Recheck belt deflection once again and repeat this process as needed. Always remember to remove the straight edge before proceeding. Next, reinstall the spare belt holder and secure the latch. Then reconnect the side panel trim and reinstall the clutch spreader tool. Next, reinstall the side panel by inserting the tabs at the bottom and top. Finally, secure the rubber strap and latch the 2 quarter-turn latches. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.